Hey guys, it's Wes Gaddis from wesgaddis.com. I want to come to you today and share with you my recommended resource for beginners who are starting Forex or even intermediate or advanced investors who want to up their game, increase their percentage of winning trades. Okay. I recommend this platform here, which I will have a link to in the below this video or down in the description. Okay, I'll show you one of the things I like about it. There are several options you can choose from, whether you want to do Forex binary, or even cryptocurrency. But I recommend for beginners the Forex binary options. And there is literally, you start at video number one. They're all short videos. And they will teach you everything from what is HFX, which basically stands for high frequency Forex, meaning you're in and out of trades in a short period of time. You'll learn everything from what is traded, the best trading session times, what they are, the brokers, currency pairs. As you can see, you will learn a little bit about everything. You will learn everything you need to know to be a profitable Forex trader. Like I said, you just watch the videos. Some of them you might have to go back one or two times to really get it to sink in. But here in a second, I'll show you one of the other cool things about this. Okay, so you can see all these videos, training videos. Mindset. Mindset. You got to have the right mindset that you need to be a successful trader. Okay. And another cool place is called strategies. All right. And I recommend the HFX strategy. This is just the handbook and it's in the back office. All you have to do is scroll down. And what these are, what you have access to, these are scanners. For example, the Liberty scanner has 3 different scanners built into it. The platform with trade ideas giving you the option to find what trading style works best. Each strategy is backed by education and go live sessions. The educators actually get on, they'll train you live, and there are several sessions a week you can get on, and they will give you the signals, the currency pair, and the time frame where you can just listen to them and execute the trades as they are doing it themselves. This is the Liberty platform. It has 3 under it, 3 in it that come with the basic academy. As my internet's a little slow. All right, it might look confusing to you, but it's all covered in the training. But basically, what you look for is down here. This line comes below the blue dash and goes up, comes below the blue dash and goes up. At the same time, the blue candles mean it's rising, and then you also have a blue candle here. So as soon as you saw that, you would go over to your trading platform, choose your time limit, which is usually like 3 to 5 minutes. You would enter your value, and if it was going up, you would hit the call button. So what that means is in 3 minutes, you have a high probability of earning $70 on a $100 trade. And over here on this side, each currency pair pays out a different percentage. Okay, so for example, you first start out, after you mess around with a demo account, you'll want to start out small, like no more than 2 to 5% of your account. As your account grows, your strategy and tactics don't change. The only thing that changes is the amount you trade per trade. Everything else is exactly the same as your account grows. This is the only difference. It's super simple. Super simple. And for like they have the simple scalper. There's a pickpocket. Show you kind of what that looks like. And all of these three strategies and more are covered in the training. So you can see there's red arrows and blue arrows. So you just go through the training, learn the training, and then look for the arrows, look for some confirmation points, and the execution is exactly the same. You're just entering a time frame, amount you want to trade, and the currency pair. It's the scanners. There's activity on your broker side is the same. You don't do anything different. It's not confusing. It's super simple. And we have tons of videos going over everything you need to know to be a profitable trader. Okay, I'm going to log in and I'll show you the Go Live section, where we have a lot more training in there too. Just click on the Go Live. You choose on the package you purchased. There's like 1, 2, 3, 4 different packages depending on what you want to learn. Each package is pretty much the Go Live. Looks really similar. Okay. So there's somebody usually doing something every day of the week, from training to trading, live analysis, trading. What they're doing, they're teaching, and at the same time, you'll be taking live trades alongside of them. Okay. This is one I'm going to hop on later, the get paid sessions. He's one of the educators that I follow. You can follow any one of these guys and you can learn a lot. And then also underneath each educator, there's more and more training. You'll basically be earning a MBA Forex binary options, by meaning that a massive bank account. Binary options blueprint. So you get all this training. There's tons and tons of training, live support, live classes. If you really want to make some money in Forex, I highly recommend HFX. Okay, click the link below in the description or right below the video to learn more. Thanks again. This has been Wes Gaddis from wesgaddis.com. God bless and have a good night.